Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to watch movies with Filmzie. So let's head on to it. Go to apps and go to the browser. I'm using Google. You can use the browser of choice. So when you're in your browser, I'm going to type in Filmzie. So right there, Filmzie. And we're going to filmzie.com. This is the one right here, filmzie.com. Click on that link. 100% legal, no subscription, no fees. So open up the app and you can access all of these movies. So these are different movies. You can see this one I was watching, Bigfoot comedy. So you could look at other movies you want in different categories. There are movies on crime. They are the most watched movies on Filmzie. You could look at those here. All of these titles are the most watched. You would also go to the top left. You toggle that sandwich bar and you see different categories. Movies on history, romance, war, sport, all of this good stuff. So if you click on a category, it's going to open up. You're going to be able to find very good content on Filmzie, very unique content on Filmzie. So if I go to the documentary category, for instance, I want to show you how you watch a movie on Filmzie. So when you open the documentary or any category of your choosing, you just scroll down to what interests you. So for instance, I'm not nuts. If I click on this, it's going to open up, and this is a documentary. It could be a movie or anything. When it says I'm not nuts, living with food allergies, so explore the world of food allergies in an enlightening documentary, uncover causes and learn to thrive with the condition. So this is a very good documentary. It could be a film, it could be anything of your choosing. All you need to do is come down here to play now, and if you click on this, it begins to play the movie. Now that's how you play movies on Filmzie. That's how you watch movies on Filmzie. If you found that insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.